Live voicemail is an amazing functionality on your iPhone that allows you to view a transcript of whatever someone is speaking on the other end while calling you. But how do you enable live voicemail functionality on your iPhone? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to turn on live voicemail functionality on iPhone. Well, in order to turn on live voicemail functionality on your iPhone, what you have to do is you have to first of all go to settings, and then you have to scroll all the way down, and there you will find apps. So tap on apps, and after that you have to go to P section. There you will find phone. So tap on phone, and now you are in the phone settings of your iPhone. Here you have to scroll a bit and you will see the option to turn on live voicemail here. You need to simply toggle it on, and after that live voicemail functionality will be turned on your iPhone. And once you turn on live voicemail functionality on your iPhone, now your iPhone will show you a transcript of whatever someone is speaking while calling, and you can view the transcript before the call ends. And while the call is incoming, you can read the transcript and decide whether you need to take that call or just ignore that. So this is pretty useful feature, and you may turn on live voicemail functionality on your iPhone using this method. So this way you may turn on live voicemail functionality on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to recover deleted voicemails on your iPhone, make sure to tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.